everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sanchari. Today I am going to do some haul video that I have hauled just before the curfew and lockdown period. It is a very small haul, but before we get into the video, I would like to know if everyone is doing well, if you're taking good care of yourself and your family. Please don't move out of the house. If there is need, only then go out. If you're going out for essentials, then take precautionary steps and carry your sanitizers, use your face mask and maintain social distancing, because this is a tough period we all are going through and our world has come crashing down. But this moment will not stay longer, only if we fight together. So now, without any further ado, let's get into the, as I mentioned that I had hauled few products and those are from Essence Cosmetics and I got it during Flipkart sale. Essence is not always available in India, but when it is, I make sure to grab the products that I love. Essence products are always affordable, they are of good quality and they are pigmented as well. So starting off with, I have purchased these two colorful eyeliner. One is in the shade aqua blue and one is in the shade pink, and you can see that these comes in a nicely sealed packaging which says that they are Flipkart assured. If you don't see a symbol as Flipkart assured, I would not suggest you to buy those things because you don't know whether they are authentic or not. So I have not used this. Here are the swatches. You can see they are pigmented, and one swatch I can see that there are some shimmer particles, so this is not completely matte formula. Next is I got this pink shade. As you all can see, even this is pigmented and even this has got some shimmers in it, but it is not to be seen that much. So yes, that was one. Next is I got this, my most favorite eyeshadow base from Essence. This I had used earlier and I am in love with this. If you apply this base and if you use your eyeshadow tends to last for 6 to 7 hours straight, and it does not crease or it does not settle in your crease line on your lid. It comes in one universal color and it has a nice pigment to it. And also I have used this today on my eyelid, and your eyeshadow pops up when you use this eyeshadow base. So yes, this is my second time purchasing and after many years, and this is one of the product that I absolutely love. Okay, so the next product is this Essence liquid ink eyeliner, and I thoroughly love this product because this is jet black, transfer proof, smudge proof, it does not bleed, it is matte and it stays straight for 7 to 8 hours on your eyelid. Even if you have oily eyelid, it will not smudge at all. First, let's see the tip. This is how the tip looks like. This makes it very easy to do your winged eyeliner. And here is the swatch. This is a fresh swatch and this is an old swatch I had swatched just few seconds back, and you can see it does not move around, it does not budge. So yes, this is my third haul. Next I have got two mascaras which I have seen Tati recommending it because she loves it from the core of her heart, and she combines these two mascaras and she coats her lashes, and that is Essence Volume Stylist Mascara and Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. It has got a huge wand like this, and today I have used this to coat my lashes, and this gives a nice volume, and this gives a nice length. I don't have a very good lashes, so I think this is a plus for me. Now the next product and the last product I have hauled is a liquid lipstick, and this is a new product from Essence, and it is Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick. That was too long. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a tube packaging like this, and when you open it comes in a doe foot applicator. The doe foot applicator looks similar to the Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint. The Fenty Beauty's applicator has a rounded tip, and even this has got a rounded tip. So yes, this is how it swatches, and I am in the shade Dangerously Yours. So this is the old swatch, just few seconds, and this is the fresh swatch. This has got a nice mauvey, pinky, dusty, rosy formula. Is very matte. It is transfer proof. I think I have not used this, but I shall definitely use it and let you guys know if it is transfer proof. Yes guys, this was it for today's video. This was my mini haul from Essence, and I hope you will love the products that I showed you. If you have this product with you, then please let me know in the comments box. I shall be happy to know. And also please take care of yourself and your family, and I will see you on my next one. Till then, bye, take care.